Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Printer users face many problem and many error. This error is one of them. No printer are installed. When we go to print command, it will come. We can solve it easily. Go to search option and search service. Click service. We find out printer spoiler. Double click printer spoiler. We select automatic from startup type. Then click start and apply. OK. We go to printer from printer and device. Right click, go to troubleshooting and wait for finish. Click apply this fix and again wait for finish. Not fix. Unplug the data cable, both printer and computer, and insert again. And you default your printer. Try again. Go to Microsoft Office and try to print. You see the printer command box appear and we can print from here. Yes, you just wait for result. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel for future video and like, comment, share. Assalamu alaikum.